In this broadcast, I'm going to give you 3 tips to a clear career pathway. Many times we think that we don't know what we want to do. 20 to 50% of students enter college undecided, and just 75% change their major at least 3 times before they graduate. Well, many times you're changing careers. There might be a job change, a layoff, but there's something in you that God has created that will give you that opportunity to just go forward and do the thing you absolutely love. And that's what I'm here to do, to help you identify your potential passion and purpose and move it from paper to productivity. Well, how do we do that? We help you turn your creativity into a career. So I'm going to give you 3 steps today that will help you identify your potential passion and purpose. And step number 1, you want to get something to write with or take some notes. Step number 1 is that you want to write down the 3 favorite things that you enjoy doing most. And I mean, it could be anything. It could be jumping out of an airplane, anything in your heart's desire that you enjoy doing. Those 3 things, you write those down on a piece of paper or in a journal somewhere where you can keep your notes. The next thing, step number 2, you're going to write down what you always wanted to be. And when I say always wanted to be, I mean that thing from the core of you, from a little child. You might have said, I want to be a policeman or a fireman or a teacher or a scientist or a doctor. And I wanted to be an entrepreneur. So you're going to write that thing down, and you're going to take step number 3 is that you're going to take those 3 things and you're going to connect them with the thing that you always wanted to be. And then you're going to brainstorm. That's the key. You have to brainstorm and identify, okay, what it is that I really, really, really want to do. If I want to be a teacher and I like music, dancing, and singing, you want to go into careers that are in that field. And it's more than just the dancing. Say you don't have a good voice, but you still love singing. There's theater, there's the arts, there's many different things that you can do to move ahead and to enjoy what you do. 85% of people don't like what they do. And that's an issue. That's a tragedy as far as I'm concerned. But you have something in you, and please, please don't try to do what other people are doing. You are an original. There's nobody like you, and there's nobody that can do what you can do. Many times you can say, well, someone's always doing that. Somebody's always doing that, or somebody's already doing that, or I can't find that on the internet. Well, maybe you can't find it on the internet because nobody's doing it, and you're the one that's supposed to be doing that because you have that creativity. You have the ideas. Those things are given to you as a gift from God to help you move ahead in life, to have a great career. So go ahead and take some time to identify that potential passion and purpose. Tune in to some of our other broadcasts that will help you to continue to grow in this area. We have many different focuses in our website and on our things that we're doing here with our videos. So tune in to the next video. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, just tag me here in the line or in the inbox. I'd be happy to answer your questions or maybe put it on the next broadcast. As well as if you would like to schedule a session, we have some books and resources that are online. I'll put the links there too. Potential Passion and Purpose. We have workbooks and books that help you to work through this process. So you can go ahead and order it. It's right there on the link there if you'd like to get a copy and just work through it on your own at home. Or you can just give me a call and schedule a session or something like that. So I don't want to be selling a lot of stuff, but I just want you to know that I'm here available to help you identify your potential passion and purpose and move it from paper to productivity. That is truly, truly my passion. And I hope you'll tune in to our next broadcast, and you have a great one.